Sir, completed.
All of you are completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But I think exercise number 12, we had just discussed the answers orally. We had not
yes,
written. So just for
yes, sir.
information, I'll write the answers also. Right. Here you have to fill in the blanks with direct or indirect objects. So tell me number one. The usher showed us the dash. What had I told you? You don't remember the answers?
Yes, I remember. The usher showed us that. ये नहीं हुआ सर. Alright, turn off your mic.
The new assistant asked him dash.
A question.
The professor returned them dash.
Their books.
Their books you
Their
can
ID
write,
card.
or you
Their
can
ID
write
card.
their papers. Yes, ID card also you can write.
सर ये तो
I
हो
gave the
गया.
balloon. Yes, I know, but answers were not written. Orally we had discussed. I gave the balloon dash.
To a child.
Yes, like Sahil.
No, I am not a child.
So take screenshot those who want.
I was writing. I have written. No need of screenshot.
Have you sent
I
dash my
also.
lunch?
Have you sent burger
ये
in my lunch?
My friends are watching dash in the evening.
what movie?
Please.
Football, cricket, whatever you want to write.
Football.
What is this?
A few peacocks were observing dash inside their cage.
The tiger. Like
How
me.
can tiger go inside their cage?
Array insect. Tiger.
Mosquitoes, insects.
The
What
few
can go
people were
inside the
observing
cage?
the
Think
anti-insect.
logically. The goldsmith had polished
Family
dash
does not have
yesterday.
logic.
No, your voice is not coming, Sufyan.
The necklace. The jewelers have finalized dash very smoothly.
The ring.
A couple of interpreters submitted dash in the morning.
Exam papers.
The drugs.
Sir, Ali Raza is
Yes.
cheating.
No, no cheating.
Now, do you remember how many exercises we have cancelled and how many we have done?
No.
So, if you don't remember, I'll tell you so that others,
I say
those who are confused, will not get confused. See, Exercise 1 we have done. Chalo, tick mark the exercises. Then don't tell me that, sir, you have not told us. Because there are total 12. But we are not doing all the 12. First one we have done, right?
Mm.
Will you tick mark?
Yes,
Sir,
tick
yes.
mark.
Tick mark and make the
Sahil.
Exercise 1, exercise 2 also. Right? Could not
Yes,
have, should not have.
ball sunrise.
Then exercise 3 also. We have done. Haven't we? Two
We have.
infinitives. Okay. Then 4 we have done. Gerunds. Remember?
Yes,
Fasting, eating. Then
Jumping, playing.
what about number 5? Past
हो
participles.
गया.
We have done. Yes? Are you all
what?
marking it?
Yes,
Then don't ask me later on. I will not give answers to anyone. See, right now I'm telling you during the lecture. It is also recorded. 6 we have done. Present participles. The children bid goodbye weeping. The flowing river. The book went out flying. Right? Present participles.
yes.
Verb plus I.
તમારો અવાજ ડબલ ડબલ આવે છે.
NG.
Book went out like a blade. Filling the
Exercise
blanks.
6 we have
This we
completed,
have
right?
done.
6 we have done. Number
Yes,
7.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes.
Number 7.
yes.
Yes.
Done,
Done.
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 Look at it carefully and tell me.
The
सर
way
ये नहीं हुई है मुझे
he
पता
is
है.
to
Mute
try
your mic, everyone.
tired. Yes, we have done this.
Mute your mic,
No
everyone.
sir, we don't. We will not.
This
सर
is
साहिल के
cancelled.
माइक में से डबल डबल आवाज
7
आ
we
रहा
have
है.
not done, so cancel it.
मेरे माइक में से नहीं
7
फरहान.
7 and 8 we have not done.
Not done.
What about 8?
Not done.
સાહેબ મારું માઇક બંધ જ છે એટલે મારા નામ નો લેતું હો ને.
Not done sir.
Okay.
Yes,
I know BTech is done or not. I will not mind.
9. Exercise 9.
9. Yes sir, we have done.
yes, we have done.
We have done.
Done.
9, 10, 11, 12 done. Done.
10 also we have done.
सर मैंने आपको 11 के आंसर सेंड करने को दिया था. आपने होमवर्क में दिया था ना जैसे
Yes.
ओ.
Okay.
question
Then
number 8 हो
remind
गया
me today. I will send the answers. Send the answers
Okay.
in the group. Okay.
सर.
11 we have done.
ओके. ये वाला सर.
Yes. And 12 we did just now, means answers we wrote just now. So all the exercises that I put tick mark on will be asked. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. Now if you remember in lesson 1, we had not continued from here. Remember?
Yes.
I had told you we will
Sir,
continue later on.
remember.
From exercise 5. Yes,
Ah,
from exercise 5 we have not done.
yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, no, no, not the.
3 kinds of sentences: simple, compound, and complex. We had studied these kinds of sentences in class 7 also. In simple sentences, there is only one clause, one verb, one subject, and one verb, right? One complete clause, independent clause. In compound sentences, there are two independent clauses which have own meaning, and in between there is one coordinating conjunction, right? In
Yes.
complex sentences, also we have two clauses and one subordinating conjunction. The first clause is the dog howled loudly, that is independent. That was in the street, that is dependent clause. So we had learned about simple, compound, and complex sentences in class 7 also. But still, I want to make the concept clear, because now the exercise which we are going to study is convert the sentences, transform the sentences from simple to compound, simple to complex. So if you understand, then only you will be able to do it. So now, all of you be attentive, please. Very important this topic is. Simple, compound, and complex sentences. Listen to me. In simple sentence, there is only one independent clause that makes complete sense. Can you tell me what is the meaning of independent clause?
The clause which is not dependent on other clause in the sentence. We can
Yes,
write independent clause.
yes, and
Alone.
it has one subject and one verb. Right? It can stand alone.
Yes.
It can stand alone. It has one subject and one verb.
Yes.
And it is meaningful. That is called clause. So in simple sentence, how many clauses are there? 1, 2 or more?
So what?
In simple sentence, how many clauses are there? 1, 2 or more?
Simple sentence.
Yes.
1.
Okay. See. Simple sentence कैसे बनेगा? One subject and one finite verb, means one subject and one verb and complete sense. That is one clause. See.
Yes.
Mira loves animals. Is it one clause? Complete sentence. One subject and one verb is there. That is a clause. Understood?
Yes.
And only one subject and one verb it is. Only one clause. तो ये कैसा sentence हुआ? It is simple sentence. It is made up of only one independent clause and only one verb is there. So this kind of sentence is called simple sentence. Are you able to understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, be attentive please, because this is very very important topic for 9th standard also.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
compound sentences are
Yes.
very easy to understand. पहली बात तो यह कि कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में कंजंक्शंस कौन से आते हैं? विच कंजंक्शंस डू वी यूज?
Fanboys.
यस, उसके अलावा भी आते हैं, बट फैन बॉयज वी यूज मैक्सिमम इन कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस. उसके अलावा एक्सेप्शनल भी है, बट राइट नाउ वी फोकस ऑन फैन बॉयज. सो in compound sentences, that 7 conjunctions as he said, fan boys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, that 7 are there. But सिर्फ उससे नहीं समझ रहे हैं, because now we don't have to identify simple, compound, complex sentences. We have to change सिंपल में से कॉम्प्लेक्स करना है, सिंपल में से कंपाउंड करना है. सो यू हैव टू use your brains, and for that the concept should be 100% clear.
Yeah.
How to make
Yes.
this sentence? See, compound sentence बनता कैसे है? Not with just fanboys, वो तो conjunction है, but it is made up of two independent clauses. So in simple sentence we saw only one clause, right? In compound
Yes.
sentence there are two clauses and both are meaningful, both are independent. तो एक क्लॉज में
Yes.
खुद का सब्जेक्ट वर्ब होगा और दूसरे क्लॉज में खुद का सब्जेक्ट वर्ब होगा अलग से. And we see one conjunction. But it is not always compulsory that conjunction would be there. Yes, 99% conjunction would be there, but it is quite possible that sometimes there is commas, semicolon, nothing at all. So don't just find out with conjunction. 99% conjunction would be there, I understand, but sometimes it's possible conjunction is not there, just comma is there. But what you will look, main चीज इसमें क्या देखनी है? What is the most important thing you will understand?
Independent clause.
Yes. तो अगर मैं सिंपल सेंटेंस कोई भी एक दूँ, उसमें से कंपाउंड सेंटेंस बनाना होगा, सो हाउ विल यू डू इट? तो वो सिंपल सेंटेंस एक होगा, उसको दो पार्ट में ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू ब्रेक इट इन टू पार्ट्स और दोनों को इंडिपेंडेंट बनाना है. मतलब two subjects and two verbs and in between one conjunction. This is what you will have to do. Will you able to do it? Will you be able to do it?
सर आपको एग्जाम में बोला ना कॉमा वाला.
Yes.
Yes. नहीं, वो तो सिर्फ मैंने एक्सेप्शनल केस बोला है. सुफियान, in exercises it is not there. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
In exercises everywhere conjunctions we will use. But when you will have to change from simple to compound, क्या करना है? You have to make two clauses, two independent clauses. In between there is one conjunction. See, the question is tricky, but I can answer it. तो fanboys में से एक आ गया. Now this is independent clause. It is meaningful on its own. This also can stand alone. So if I write this, this is clause 1, this is clause 2. Which are the two subjects in which is the subject verb here and which is the subject verb here? क्योंकि एक clause में एक subject verb अलग होता है, दूसरे clause में subject verb अलग होता है. So what is the subject and verb over here?
Question is the subject and trick is the verb.
What is the verb here?
Is.
हाँ, helping verb है, correct. So see, clause 1 में subject verb मिल गया, that is a clause. Subject verb है means it is a clause. Here what is the subject and verb?
I is the subject
Hmm.
and can answer is the verb.
Can, that is helping verb. So this is the proof कि ये clause है, ये subject verb है, it is meaningful also. So we have made two clauses, both are independent, and one conjunction means it is compound sentence. Same way you see other three examples. If you are not able to understand, ask me कि सर इसमें दो clauses कहाँ हैं?
इसमें
Means if you have any doubt, just read these three. Are there two clauses everywhere and it's joined with a coordinating conjunction?
yes मुझे पता सब में है सर दो clauses.
Yes, and clause means two subjects and two verbs in the sentence. So everyone, do you understand?
Yes, I understand. जिसमें पता है.
Yes, I understand.
So what we saw, compound sentence communicates more than one complete thought. Coordinate clauses can be joined with the help of conjunctions. See, all these conjunctions you can use. You were telling me fanboys, right? But उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे use होते हैं. I told you, I will tell you later on. So we can use all this in compound sentences. But mostly fanboys will help you in all the answers.
Okay.
If you understand this right now, in 9th and 10th, it will be very easy for you. So complex sentence, the third type. Now in complex sentence also there are two clauses. Compound में भी दो है. But in complex sentence, one is independent and the second one is dependent. The other one. So one independent clause means it can stand alone. उसका मीनिंग अलग से निकलता है. It is meaningful. जो दूसरा clause है that is incomplete. That is dependent.
Yes, sir.
See, I know the man who came to meet you yesterday. So in this, you saw this one, I know the man. I can write this separately. It is meaningful on its own. It has a subject, I, it has a verb, no. So this is a clause. It is meaningful, so it is independent clause. But this one, who came to meet you yesterday, if I write this alone, is it complete? Does it convey complete idea?
Sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तुमसे कल कौन मिलने आया था?
Who came? अरे question नहीं. It is, you are taking it as a question.
Yes.
No, not as a question. ये जो who है, that is a conjunction over here. Don't take it as WH question.
No, the man who came to me, to you yesterday.
Who came to meet you yesterday? But what? What who came to meet you yesterday? If you write this separately,
The man.
does it make sense itself?
No, it is
No.
dependent.
It is dependent clause. And moreover, we see one subordinating conjunction. So this is how, if I give you one simple sentence और उसमें से complex बनाना है तो कैसे करेंगे? दो clause बनाने पड़ेंगे और बीच में एक subordinating conjunction डालना पड़ेगा. But जो एक clause होगा वो meaningful होना चाहिए. It should be independent. The other one should be dependent. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
See the rest three examples. The book that you gave me had wonderful stories. Tell me which is independent and which is dependent clause here.
The book that you
gave me
gave me had
had
wonderful stories.
that you gave me.
This is dependent.
ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि सब एक लाइन में आएगा. Don't think कि ये आधा वो है. Not like this. सब में लाइन
नहीं.
नहीं आएगा.
सर ये independent है. Full.
No. Let me see who can find out
No,
independent
how it
clause.
is
सब लाइन में
independent.
नहीं आएंगे words. I am giving you hint.
So that Nikal, the book you gave me had wonderful stories.
निकाल नहीं सकते हम. Tell me what should I underline? What is independent? What is dependent?
The book you gave me
Independent is the book.
independent.
No, that is not meaningful on its own.
The book.
No.
Had wonderful story.
That you had wonderful stories. Yes.
See, you will read like this. The book had wonderful stories. Now this one is dependent. Understood?
Yes. Gunjan left the party. This is independent.
Gunjan left the party early. That much is independent.
As she
What,
was in
Sufyan?
a hurry, yes.
What are you saying, Sufyan?
Nothing I am telling the answer.
Okay, then next. What is independent?
I finished all my
Before
work.
I left for Goa, I finished all my work.
Yes. So this one is independent.
Before I left, I finished all my work.
This one is dependent. Before I left Goa, or dependent. Before is also there, acting as subordinating conjunction. So, in complex sentences, you see one independent clause and one main clause. Either there is a conjunction All these conjunctions are used in complex sentences. All these are subordinating conjunctions. और we can see these relative pronouns also. ये सब भी use होते हैं for joining or not.
Yes.
So for complex sentences, you can use all these words. In exercise, these words will help you. Please remember these words. The exercise that we are going to solve right now. In complex sentences, you can use all these words. But right now, we are not solving complex sentences. अभी ये पहले करना है compound. So you can use all these words. But fanboys will mostly give you all the answers.
कौन से boys?
Fanboy is the short
F
form.
means for, A for, O
For
for
So-
or, R for.
So will you be able to change from simple to compound now?
yes.
Okay. But before that, I want to show you video.
Which video, sir? So many.
Wait, I'll stop presenting or no, I'll not stop presenting. Otherwise, the recording will stop. The audio I will play from my other phone. यही concept है simple compound complex का. But be attentive. Okay.
Okay.
In between, I will ask. I have left from that ID so that I can play audio from that phone.
So video.
Video I'm opening.
Video
Just a
is
minute. So as I have two devices, I can use it, no?
सर आप एक डिवाइस में से भी कर सकते हैं वीडियो
ऑडियो नहीं आएगा ना फिर?
सर आएगा ना सेटिंग में क्या
No, but I don't think so. Google Meet में फिर ऑडियो नहीं होता, सिर्फ वीडियो होता है. साहिल को सब पता होगा.
Yes, I know everything.
Okay, so will you listen to it attentively, all of you?
If our mic is too powerful, then we can also play audio.
Yes. So should I start?
ओके
See, actually
Yes.
this is 31 minutes and 55 seconds long video, but we will learn in parts. We will not watch it whole today.
ओके
In 2 parts or in 3 parts we will divide.